So we're working on this side-by-side, which is basically a corporate vehicle. People come in and they rent them for the day or lease them, and they want to go out and have fun. Well, nothing kills a day of fun when you hop in that side-by-side and the battery is dead.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So what you want to do is make sure that you've got a battery you can trust and a brand you can rely on, and that's Optima.
Optima's got a full line of batteries for a lot of the vehicles on the road and a lot of just the toys that we play with and boats and all that stuff. With the addition of the H5 and the H7, they've now got batteries for 80% of the vehicles on the road. That's like good market penetration. That's a lot of different batteries. And for example, this H7, that's the direct battery replacement for the Raptor.
When it comes to, being on top of the game, that's where lithium batteries come into play, and Optima plays in that field with the orange top battery. The problem is a lot of the batteries out there today, you don't know where they're coming from. So you want to rely on a brand you can trust, and Optima is that. If you look at this battery, it's small in size, yet it's powerful. It only weighs about 4.6 pounds. You've got the quad terminals here, so you can mount it any way in any different direction. Just makes it more versatile.
A couple other cool things about this little orange top is they've got a power link, right? So a lot of times, if you've mounted batteries in a side-by-side, they can be tricky. They're under a seat, or you've got to dig around to get to them. So that's fine. You just mount it wherever you have to mount it. But with the power link, it's a bright LED light that will give you an indicator of how the battery's doing. So you don't have to go digging around unnecessarily. The other thing is they have Optima CPR, which is pretty neat because it's like an auto jump starting function. So if the battery senses that it's got just enough power to get your thing fired up one more time, it's going to kill all the other parasitic loads so that it can concentrate on cranking it over.
Also they've got a digital charger as well as a maintainer. Let's say that vehicle is going to be sitting for a long period of time. You want to just keep that charge up. They made a 12-volt maintainer as well as a 2-amp lithium charger. So they've got you covered pretty much in every avenue.
Now, all we have to do, I think, we're going to put this one back there, right?
You can hold this thing. Yeah. I love it.
Thanks for that.
It's a heavy little guy. Okay.